Rancy's Insight presents homemade energy balls with dry fruits and nuts. You will see how to make healthy and appetizing energy balls with natural ingredients, and there's no added sugar. Before beginning with the recipe, I would like to share the goodness of dry fruits and nuts briefly. Dry fruits are loaded with vitamins, minerals, dietary fiber, and carbohydrates. They taste great and make a healthy snack. Nuts are an excellent source of proteins, minerals, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. They are delicious, and a handful of them provides you energy. Getting back to the recipe, ingredients that you'll need are a cup of de-seeded medjool dates, a cup of figs soaked for at least an hour, half a cup of chopped pistachios, half a cup of chopped cashew nuts, and a quarter cup of chopped almonds. Grind the dates and soaked figs into a coarse paste and grind the chopped nuts into powder. Heat 3 tablespoons of ghee or coconut oil on low flame and add powdered nuts to it. Mix well and add the date and fig paste. Mix well again for a minute. Allow this to cool, and when the mixture is just warm, roll it into balls and enjoy eating them when they cool down. You may also store them in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Along with dry fruits and nuts, you can also add a tablespoon of roasted and powdered green moong or red rice. To get an idea about healthy snacks, watch my previous video on easy and healthy snacks using the link given in the description box. Thank you for watching and do subscribe for more ideas about healthy eating.